Welcome everyone to the Best Options YouTube channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the Dyson V15 Detect, with the latest dust detection technology, which illuminates dirt with a laser, and displays real-time numbers about the amount and size of dust being picked up. Also for your convenience, we provided the links to this product and other similar vacuums, right in the description down below. Without any more delay, let's get straight into this review. Dyson V15 Detect's physical dimensions are 49.6 inches in length, 9.8 inches in width, and it weighs roughly 6.8 pounds with empty tanks. The V15 has a dustbin capacity of 0.2 gallons or the equivalent of approximately 3 cups of dry debris, which matches the capacity of the Dyson V11 cordless stick vacuum. This vacuum can also be shortened and used as a handheld vacuum, which makes it smaller, lighter, and easier to carry. The Dyson V15 comes with a pretty large selection of tools and accessories, a laser slim fluffy cleaner head, an upgraded high torque cleaner head, hair screw tool, a crevice tool, a stubborn brush, a one clip, a combination tool, the docking station, and the charger. The digital display is a huge part of the overall usability of the Dyson V15. Here, a color LCD screen shows which mode you have selected and how long the cleaner has left before the battery will run out. During cleaning, it also displays information generated by the last of Dyson's new features, its acoustic dust sensor. Onboard sensors located internally on the V15 are designed to detect the count and size of the particles being cleaned up. The system then sorts the particles into 4 different categories: 10 micrometers, particles the size of allergens and pollen; 60 micrometers, particles the size of microscopic dust and skin flakes; 180 micrometers, particles the size of dust mites and fine sand; 500 micrometers, particles the size of sugar and fleas. The Dyson V15 generates 71 to 76 decibels of noise, depending on the mode. Here are the exact results: on cleaning mode, on eco mode 71 decibels, on auto mode 74 decibels, on boost mode 76 decibels. The ambient noise level in the room is around 40 decibels. The laser slim fluffy cleaner head, which has a soft brush bar to ensure hard floors aren't damaged. This features a class 1 laser diode, so it's safe for humans and pets, mounted at an angle of 1.5 degrees and 7.2 millimeters off the ground, which projects a beam of green light in front of the cleaning head to highlight microscopic dust particles that are invisible to the eye. The high torque cleaning head, with no laser in it, when used on auto mode, will adjust the power to suit the type of floor you're cleaning when using. It now has 56 polycarbonate teeth that shred hair into small sections, to stop it from getting tangled around the bristles of the cleaning head. There is a hair screw tool, which is a sort of mini-me to the full-size high-torque cleaning head. This is designed for use on stairs but comes into its own on upholstery, as that is where pet hairs, and human ones, tend to congregate. The bin is big enough that you can vacuum a 3-bedroom apartment 4 to 5 times before filling it up. The emptying mechanism is a thing of joy and feels a bit like cocking a pump-action shotgun. It's easy to empty the bin into a garbage bag by pressing the red button. The twist-off filter, located at the back of the machine, is also easy to clean by washing it under warm water. It's recommended to wash the filter once a month. Vacuums with HEPA filters can help trap microscopic dirt so allergens can't escape back into the air. The Dyson V15 Detect Total Clean doesn't have a HEPA filtration system. But if allergies are a major issue, there is a HEPA version sold on Dyson's website, the V15 Absolute Extra. The battery life on this vacuum is pretty impressive. It offers up to 60 minutes of power, in eco mode on hard floors, and tells you how much battery life you have in real time. There are 3 power modes: eco, auto, and boost, that all affect the amount of battery life you'll get. Eco is true to the name and will save some power. The auto will adjust the intensity of the suction based on the surface that is being vacuumed, and boost is the most powerful suction, which costs a lot of battery life. Using the vacuum on auto mode seems to be a nice healthy in-between, that is still very effective at cleaning. If you were to only use the V15 Detect on boost mode though, you'd likely only get around 15 minutes of battery. The pros for this product include powerful suction. It features laser highlights microscopic dust on hard floors. It is compact and lightweight. However, it has 2 cons in my opinion: it is a bit expensive compared to the similar vacuums, and it has an average-sized dust canister. In terms of suction power, this is Dyson's most powerful vacuum to date. Dyson vacuums cut out if their airways are blocked. At the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute's maximum setting, peak suction reached 31 kilopascals, at which point the vacuum cuts out. This translates well into cleaning power. On a short pile carpet, and a single pass of the high-torque motorized head on standard power, it collected 92% of a measured spillage of Cheerios. Dyson has done it again. This cordless stick vacuum cleaner tackled everything we threw at it, with cleaning power that's just as good as its previous models, and backs this up with a slew of new and worthwhile features. The 3 redesigned motorized heads are all eminently useful. Anti-tangle rollers aren't new to vacuuming, but it's good to see Dyson finally embracing the technology, and the dust spotting laser leaves you in no doubt your hard floor is clean. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is the best cordless vacuum you can buy right now.